6 ways to get financing. Hey there, fellow real estate adventurers. Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your Real Estate Sensei, here to sprinkle a little financing magic into your investment journey. Today we're diving into the treasure trove of financing options, 6 of them to be precise. But before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And hey, let's have a conversation in the comments below. What other topics do you want to explore together? 1. Traditional lending. Let's kick things off with the classic, traditional lending. It's like borrowing money from your favorite uncle, minus the awkward family gatherings. You approach a bank, they evaluate your credit and financials, and voila, you might score a mortgage. The pros, lower interest rates and longer terms. But beware the cons. Lengthy approval processes and strict criteria. Oh, and that stack of paperwork might just give you paper cuts. 2. Private money. Moving on, let's talk about private money. It's like partnering up with a wealthy friend who's got cash to spare. You secure a loan with your property as collateral, and they enjoy higher returns than traditional investments. The pros, flexible terms and faster approvals. But tread carefully. Higher interest rates and the potential risk of souring friendships can be drawbacks. 3. Hard money. Now, brace yourselves for hard money. It's the adrenaline rush of financing. Hard money lenders are like the action heroes of real estate. They swoop in when you need fast cash for fix and flip projects. The pros, speedy approvals and funding, perfect for seizing quick opportunities. But beware the cons, higher interest rates and shorter repayment windows. Time is money, and in this case, it's a lot of it. 4. Creative financing. Up next, creative financing, the Picasso of real estate financing. Think lease options, seller financing, and subject-to deals. It's like crafting a unique masterpiece for each property. The pros, flexible terms and options to tailor deals to your advantage. But here's the catch. It demands a deep understanding of real estate strategies and negotiation skills. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. 5. DSCR loans. Ready for a bit of financial math? Enter DSCR loans, debt service coverage ratio. It's a fancy term for commercial property financing. Lenders evaluate the property's ability to cover its debt payments. The pros, ideal for income-generating properties. But brace yourselves. Higher requirements and tougher underwriting can be challenging hurdles to jump over. 6. Cash-out refinancing. Lastly, we've got cash-out refinancing, the magician's trick of financing. It's like pulling cash out of a hat or your property's equity. You refinance your mortgage for a higher amount and pocket the difference. The pros? Access to funds for other investments or needs. But be cautious. Increasing your mortgage could lead to higher monthly payments and more interest over time. And there you have it, dear adventurers, the 6 ways to finance your real estate dreams. Each path has its perks and its quirks. So, which one's singing your financing tune? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to suggest future video topics. I'm here to be your guide in this ever-expanding world of real estate. Before you go, here's a little secret. We can't reveal our true identity because industry leaders would not be happy with me because of the gems we're uncovering. So, if you're enjoying this journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more insightful revelations. Until next time, stay curious, stay invested, and stay excited about your journey toward real estate mastery.